Hi guys, this is Scott here at Gresham Toyota. Today I'm going to showcase the power sliding doors on the 2019 Toyota Sienna. I'm going to show you how to use them. I'm also going to show you a few cool, I'm also going to take a few cool pictures of the interior, exterior, and have those at the end of the video too. So on the outside of the Sienna, you have two power sliding doors for the both back passengers, and it's super easy. You just pull on it and it opens up. And then to close that power sliding door, all you have to do is just push this here and it closes for you. And then say you want to open it back up, you just go like this. Cool, super easy. I also want to mention the power door on and off switch that disables those power sliding doors. So if you notice those power sliding doors not working when you're in park, it's either because this button is pressed to turn it off, or the battery of the Sienna doesn't have enough charge. Cool. I also wanted to point out on that power sliding door if the vehicle is in drive. So let's go to drive. And there's a couple different places you can put the a couple different places for that to operate the power sliding doors other than just touching the handle. You can open it up with the key right here. Also on the top, you can open it up there, right here, and right here. So cool. Let's try it when we're in drive. So it's not engaged when you're in drive. So in order for the power sliding doors to work, it has to be in park. Let's just put it in park really quick and press the button. Cool. That's just a cool little trick on the power sliding doors on the Toyota Sienna. Thanks so much for watching my video. This is Scott here at Gresham Toyota. We are #Gateway to Adventure. We are definitely selling a bunch of Siennas this week. My number is 503-758-3612. Check it out, and I'll close this video with a few pictures.